Every meeting is a race against time. So when could we run a really efficient meeting? Integrated touch interactivity, wireless screen sharing, and Ultra HD display all in one. Compatible with rich remote conference software, hardware, and office applications. Empowering the meeting efficiency. Anti-glare screens are not affected by bright ambient light environment. Writing freely and smoothly. Synchronizing different ideas at one time. Humanized operation interface. Effective and convenient experience to cultivate instant inspiration. Annotate at any channel and help to focus on main points easily. Meeting memos shared at any time via devices flexibly. Mobile phone and pad. One click to share screen wirelessly. Share your content and switch to different each brilliant idea seamlessly. Clear split screen display help to reach quicker conclusions. Powerful configuration for remote conference. Compatible with variety of third-party remote conference software and hardware. To communicate whatever, whenever, and wherever. Dedicated for improving meeting efficiency to drive innovation and creativity in shorter time. Create greater value for enterprise. Have time with double productivity.